Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Spinach pumpkin puree recipe for babies. Including spinach and pumpkin in your baby's diet can be a great idea. Both spinach and pumpkin are very nutritious and can contribute to your baby's overall growth and development. Here is how spinach and pumpkin puree can be made for your baby. Cooking time. Preparation time 5 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Total time 20 minutes. Cooking method. Gas or steamer. Suitable for babies aged 6 months and above. Ingredients. Handful of fresh spinach leaves. Pumpkin 1 slice or diced, 1 cup. Salt according to taste. A pinch of cinnamon, optional. Instructions. Remove stems of spinach and soak it in cold water for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, peel the pumpkin and cut it into small cubes. Rinse both the veggies under running water thoroughly. Boil the pumpkin into a medium-sized saucepan for about 15 minutes. Boil the spinach leaves for 2 to 3 minutes in another saucepan. Rinse both the boiled vegetables under cold water for 2 to 3 minutes to stop the cooking process. Puree the spinach and pumpkin using a food processor or blender until you get a smooth texture. Add water to attain the desired consistency. Add salt according to the taste and mix it well. Serve it to your baby. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon powder while serving to enhance the taste of the spinach pumpkin puree. Recipe tips. Cook both the vegetables properly, otherwise the puree will not taste good. You can also bake the pumpkin cubes in a microwave. This will add smoky aroma to the puree. To make this homemade spinach pumpkin puree baby food recipe creamier in texture, you can replace water with baby milk while blending. You can combine more vegetables in this recipe like carrot, zucchini, green beans, and sweet potato if your baby likes them. Now you know how to make spinach pumpkin puree. So go ahead and make this delicious puree for your baby and watch her eat it without throwing a fit.